Hi buddies, good morning. Last class we have learned where should we use too big and too small. Now let us do the book exercise. Take page number 72. First exercise, tick the correct one. Look at the first picture. Too small to make dosa. Too big to make dosa. Which one is correct? First one or second one? Very good. First one is correct. Too small to make dosa. Tick the first one. Look at the second picture. Too small to wear his old shirt. Too big to wear his old shirt. Which one is correct? It's right. Second one is correct. Too big to wear his old shirt. So, you tick the second one. Look at the third picture. Too big to carry the baby. Too small to carry the baby. Which one is correct? Yes. Second one is correct. Too small to carry the baby. So, you tick the second one. Second exercise. Who said these words? Choose and write. First one. What am I the right size for? Who said? Very good. Mano said. So, you write Mano. Second one. I can't lift you up. Who said? Yes, it's correct. Mom. So, you write Mom. Third one. You can't sleep in the cradle. Who said dear? Very good. Grandpa. So, you write Grandpa. Third exercise. Listen, think and say. First one. Is Mano big enough to walk to school alone? Answer is no. Mano is not big enough to walk to school alone. Second question. Why can't Mano make dosa? Mano can't make dosa because he is too small. Third question. Why can't Mano climb on Grandpa's back? Mano can't climb on Grandpa's back because he is too big. Last question. Are you big or small? Answer is I am big but sometimes small. Dear children, now let us know singular and plural. If we have to talk about single person or object, we have to use singular. When we have talk about more than one, we have to use plural. அன்பான குழந்தைகளே, சிங்குலர் அப்படின்னா தமிழில் ஒருமைன்னு சொல்லுவோம். ஒருமை அப்படின்னா ஒரே ஒரு பொருளை மட்டும் குறிப்பது. ப்ளூரல் அப்படின்னா பன்மை, ஒன்றிற்கு மேற்பட்ட பொருட்களை குறிப்பது. ஒன்றிற்கு மேற்பட்ட பொருட்களை தான் நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்கிறோம்? பன்மை அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம்.
Valli and Chittu are very good friends. Today they are counting the things they have.
I have one banana, one cap, one toy,
I have 4 bananas, 2 caps, 3 toys.
Why do you add yes with your words? I have more than one of each.
Dear children, we add s to a noun to make plural forms. Children, take page number 74. First exercise, match the words with the pictures. Look at the first picture. What is this? This is a cat. How many cats are there? Only one. Where one cat in words? Third one. So, you match the word with the picture. Look at the second picture. What is this? This is a van. How many vans are there? Only one. So, where is one van in words? Fifth one. So, you match the word with the picture. Look at the third picture. What is this? These are ships. How many ships are there? There are 4 ships. So, were 4 ships in words? Second one. So, you match the word with the picture. In the same way, you match all the words with the pictures. Second exercise, add s to make one into many. First one, ball. Answer is balls. Second one, apple. Answer is apples. Third one, cap. Answer is caps. Fourth one, dog. Answer is dogs. Egg, eggs. Next, frog, frogs. Next one, pig, pigs. Last one, hat, hats. Next exercise, fill in the missing letters. First picture, what is this? This is a cot. Cot spelling C-O-T, cot. Look at the second picture. What is this? This is a shirt. Shirt spelling S-H-I-R-T, shirt. Look at the third picture. What is this? This is a baby. Baby spelling B-A-B-Y, baby. Dear children, now let us read word wall. G-I-V-E, give. O-R, R. G-O-O-D, good. P-U-T, put. S-A-W, sa. I-F, if. T-H-E-M, them. U-P, up. J-U-S-T, just. S-E-E, see. O-L-D, old. T-H-E-N, then. U-S, us. C-O-M-E, come. Next exercise, read aloud and circle the words you see in the word wall. First sentence, I like them. Circle the word them. Second one, he was a good old man. Circle the word good. Third one, I just saw him. Circle the word just. Fourth one, can you see the fish? Circle the word see. Fifth one, give me some jam. Circle the word give. Last one, take us to the zoo. Circle the word us. Next exercise, find and circle the words. G-E-T, get. Circle get. G-I-V-E, give. Circle the word give. M-E, me. Circle the word me. O-R, R. Circle the word R. P-U-T, put. Circle the word put. S-A-W, saw. Circle the word saw. J-U-S-T, just. Circle the word just. F-O-R, far. Circle the word far. Dear children, in the same way, you will find and circle the words. Next exercise. Children, take page number 76. Let us practice. Touch the tree and say, the tree is big. Touch the plant is small. Touch the boy is tall. Touch the girl is short. Touch the book is thick. Touch the kite is thin. Next exercise, read and trace the words. The elephant is big. Write big in 4 lines. The boy is tall. Write tall in 4 lines. The book is thick. Write thick in 4 lines. The rat is small. Write small in 4 lines. The girl is short. Write short in 4 lines. The kite is thin. Write thin in 4 lines.
Bird. Asan. Brick. Broom. Dir. As in drum. Drink. Curd. As in clock. Cloud. Full. As in flute. Floor. Ft. As in gift. Soft. St. As in list. Fist. Und. As in pond. Bend.
Children, take page number 77. Look at the picture and learn the sounds and repeat. Now let us read the word wall. CLIP, clip. BRASS, brass. FLESH, flush. FLOP, flop. DRAG, drag. DRIP, drip. WEST, west. COST, cast. WIND, wind. SAND, sand. RANK, rank. LOFT, loft. Next exercise, circle the correct one. Look at the first picture. What is this? This is a clock. Which pair of letters we have to write in the blanks? CLOCK, clock. So the correct pair is CL. Look at the next picture. What is this? This is a flag. Flag spelling FLAG. So the correct pair is FL. Look at the next picture. What is this? This is a brush. Brush spelling BRUSH, brush. So the correct pair is BR. Next, look at the next picture. What is this? This is a drop. Drop spelling DROP, drop. Correct pair is DR. Look at the next picture. What is this? This is a pond. Pond spelling POND, pond. So correct pair is ND. Look at the next picture. What is this? This is a nest. Nest spelling NEST, nest. Correct pair is ST. Look at the next picture. What is this? This is a gift. Gift spelling GIFT, gift. So the correct pair is FT. Look at the next picture. What color it is? It is pink color. Pink spelling PINK, pink. So the correct pair is NK. Next exercise, circle the add one. Look at the pictures. How many pictures are given? 4 pictures. First one, grinder. Second one, stove. Third one, cot. Fourth one, mixie. Which is the add one? Very good. Cot is the add one. So you circle the cot. இங்கு கொடுக்கப்பட்ட 4 படங்களில் வேறுபட்ட ஒன்றை வட்டமிடணும். கிரைண்டர், ஸ்டவ், காட், மிக்ஸி கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. இதில் காட் மட்டும் பெட்ரூமில் வைக்கிறது, அதனால் இதை நம்ம வட்டம் போடணும். மீண்டும் அடுத்த வகுப்பில் சந்திப்போம். தேங்க்யூ டியர்ஸ். ஸ்டே ஹோம் அண்ட் பி சேஃப்.